Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. It's Victoria. Today I'll be unboxing my mom's new iPhone 14 Pro Max. I'll be setting this up from start to finish, so if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned. I also do have a little comparison of the iPhone 13 and iPhone 14 at the end, so make sure you stay tuned. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and comment what video you would like to see me do next, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Be right back. I gotta go set this up with my mom's face because it's actually her phone. So, alright guys, here is my beautiful mother, Victoria number 1, because I'm Victoria number 2. But yep, so mom, you gotta set up your Face ID. So I brought mom on here because I mean it's not my phone, it's her phone, and so she's gonna be help setting up her Face ID. Alright, so go ahead and just click continue. How to set up Face ID. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all of the angles of your face. Yep, and then all of the green is going to be like what you need to do, right? So up and down. I want you to move up and down. Yep. Got it?
Oh, I got a new phone. Thank you so much, Sasha.
You are so welcome. Make sure this is your new iPhone. Here's everything is set up as you had it on your other phone. Continue. I think it's like Connect 4. It worked! If you made it this far into the video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give this video a like and let me know what types of videos you would all like to see me do next. I will see you all in my next video. Bye!